Okay, so, who are the guys we got?
We have Math Penguin,
Math Penguin,
A robot.
a robot,
And us adventurous.
the Ventress. And so I've written out our chart. And what was our formula again?
so it's 2.5 times today's salary
All right.
minus yesterday's salary
Okay.
It's
equals
tomorrow's.
tomorrow's salary.
All right. So for example, how did we compute this 25?
Well, so we did 2.5 times 50
All right.
minus $1.
Okay. So if this was today, we did 2.5 times 50 minus $1, and then after that we round. So these columns won't reflect that formula. So we have to do, or right now they don't, because these are when they round. Okay,
Yeah.
but from going forward from here, we'll use the formula.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if we were just going to stay at 25, let's do this one. So what calculation would we have to do?
What do you mean stay at 25?
Well, pretend it was 25, and we're going to do what calculation to find out what's in this box here?
Well, 2.5 times 25 minus 50 cents.
Minus 50. Okay, so what's 2.5 times 25?
Let's see, so 2 times 25 is 50.
Okay,
And then
And then a half times 25 is 12.5.
all right,
So we got 62.5 cents.
all right.
and now, well,
Minus 50 cents.
All right.
that's going to be. Isn't it going to be just 12.5?
12.5 cents. So this one goes to 12.5 cents. Okay, that's pretty.
1.25.
Or sorry, $0.125.
Yeah.
I was writing in dollars. What about this one? Can you do this calculation
Well-
for me here for this one? So now you got 30 cents instead of 25 cents. So how does the calculation work?
Well, you get. So it's going to rise up as you go.
All right.
So it's going to be 2.5 times 30 minus 50.
Okay.
2.5 times 30, well, 2 times 30 is 60, and a half times 30 is 15,
All right.
so 75.
75.
Minus 50 is 25
Okay.
cents. So it'll
And-
stay, well, we just got 25 again.
Yeah.
It'll stay at 30.
Okay. So it'll stay at 30 because we round up.
Yeah.
And
How
then-
about for this one? Can you
well-
do this one?
So 2.5 times 20, that's going to be 50 cents.
All right.
Minus 50 cents,
All right.
that's 0.
That's 0. Interesting. So
I think I'd rather work for this guy.
for now,
Yeah.
Ventress doesn't. Are you surprised that Ventress tricked you?
No.
Why not?
So it just tricks people a lot.
Ventress tricks people a lot. Okay. All right. What would we have to do here for this box? What for the 5th day? What would we have to compute?
We have to compute 12. We have to compute 2.5 times 0.125 minus 25.
Okay.
So 2.5 times 0.125. 2 times 0.125 is 250.
Yeah.
250,
Yeah.
and then a half of 0.125.
What is a
Isn't
half?
it 0.0625?
Very good.
0.625.
So what is our what calculation we have to do? 2.5 times this minus this. So what does that work out to be?
It's 250 minus it's
Or just 0.25.
Yeah.
It's
0.25 minus 0.25. Isn't that 0?
But don't you have to add the
I-
half of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a half.
So what does that leave us with?
Well, that's 0.0625,
Yeah.
and then plus 250. That's 31. Isn't it 3.3125
Yeah.
minus 25
Yeah. Which is what?
is 31. It's point. It's 0.31.
But, well,
So we have when we do 2.5 times this, we have 2 times that is 0.250, right?
Yeah.
plus 0.0625, right?
0.06.
And then what do we have to subtract?
And we have to subtract away minus 0.25.
Okay, so how does that work?
Well, we could subtract away these. We could subtract away you could subtract away the 25 from this first, and then you're just left with 0.625.
Yeah, see, so if we add these together first, that becomes a little tricky,
Yeah.
and then we do the subtraction.
Yeah.
So what are we left with? What's the sum equal?
Well, it equals 0.0625.
0.0625, okay. All right, let's go on to the third movie here.
Alright.